G'day viewers, well I got some cleaning this radio done, cleaned all the casing has all been washed up with soapy water. That's all nice and dry, and then I put it back together. So one of these, and a lock washer goes on here. Put the dial light thing back on, the button for the dial light. Find some more nuts and bolts of the speaker, because only what holds the chassis on, what holds the speaker on there. That's what that was used, only two of them. That was really hard to do. There we go, that will screw on like that. It works quite well. I've just had it on for an hour or so. Listen to the footy on my local station. Seems to work quite well. I just contact cleaned all the buttons, and the band selector switch was really dirty. That's all that was wrong with it. This thing works fine. Even with all original capacitors, it works fine. See, it was pretty damn filthy. It's a lot better now though. Very clean now. Make sure that bolt's tight. There we go. Now to put these headphone ports back in. Then put the chassis back in. We've got some bolts here, 2 bolts there, that one there, that one there, and this right here goes behind one of those bolts on here, which goes on here actually, which isn't actually supposed to come off in the first place anyway. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to lubricate this all up and get it moving really freely. Then I bolt it back on with some new bolts. It was one of these, I think it was one of these ones that was holding it on, because it fell out of the casing when I took that out. I thought that was held behind here, but it's not. So I'll fix that. Well, it works nice and well, this radio. I cleaned it all up. The dial pointer was derailed. It goes in this little rail here. I'll soon fix that. The string goes under there. There we go, that's perfect. The little string up there, which supports a dial pointer. Works quite well, this radio. Even without the aerial, it picks up a lot of stations. Well, it just uses the internal bar aerials anyway. I mean, no external aerial. Okay viewers, I just got some rust killer on these contacts. Got old rusted solutions. Rust over gel, good stuff. Really usable too. You can put it on there and take it off and put it in a separate canister and just reuse it over and over and over again until it gets really dirty and weakens. So I've got that all tinned so I can solder the damn thing. It was so bad that I couldn't get the damn solder to wick, so I finally got that sorted out. Did a quick test, I found it was pulling a dead short. It's like, oh no, I stuffed it up. Turns out I had a wire pinched behind the screw here. I undid this screw on the chassis and found I had pinched a wire. That's happened before. I hate that. I've done it on a couple of radios like this before. Similar situations where it would just be short all of a sudden. Oh no. Yeah, lucky it was only that one there that was easy to get to. Anyway, just got to solder this back on, and I could just plug it in as normal and give it a demonstration. It works nicely now. I carefully cleaned the voice coil out with air, because it's a vented voice coil dust cap. I carefully blew the cone carefully. Next thing is I've got the speaker a bit better sounding now. Yeah, I've had to pull this wire out here, the main power wire, just rerouted it to get a bit of extra length out of it. It's just so it's not so much tension on the wire, just takes some of the stress off it. Too much strain on that wire there, so that'll go there. Perfect. Alright. Now that aerial, which we're going to have to find a replacement. It's one of those pull out ones. Pulls out and I think it's got a swivel at the end of it. As you can hear viewers, it's pretty loud.
This one, 39 seconds to go. Short pass goes into DBJ. AFL Nation for Liquorland, easy to shop with over 700 stores. Mad if you don't.
Dial up works. My meter's maxed out. So they brought it back to the maximum tunage.
back flank. Ryan Burton has it, and I think they're happy with this 8-point.
Just got to fix up this aerial now, because that clips on the back when I put the back of the radio back when it goes on there. That was a bit of a helper, so now I have to clean this rust up and put an aerial inside that to fit in there, a little retractable one.
Still 16 premiership players in this
neat.
So there's some guys
This little footy now.
Experience under the belt.
16-11. Not pulling much cut, which is good. No 16-11, our ball clap. Old school. I'm really getting an aerial on that back of that radio. Let's get an aerial on that. I don't want to help things a bit. Of course, I got no clip leads to get access to on camera, but that big one will do. Let's get that all. I'll set this big clip lead up and hook it up to the big aerial outside. The aerial, so I've got the aerial hooked up. I'll just do this little set up now as long as my camera stays. It's going to get a bit obstructed in my hands in front of the camera.
1822. Sunration Pest Control. 55.
That's just 1467 being repeated at this end of the dial.
I struggle to write.
Does that with most radios now.
I feel anxious when I'm
that for.
But I'm thinking my son's nappy.
And then
my hand just freezes. My name's Nikki Blackwood.
Shortwave, gotta wait till tonight. Shortwave not work till after the sun goes down. Sun goes down to get some stations from China. Shortwave too. So strictly to the rock, back and forth and clean it. It just goes quiet. Nothing much here. Wait till tonight after the sun goes down.
Towards zero. So Ebert reinvented as a Ford this year. Has his 5th goal of the season, and he gets this afternoon, just under 3 minutes played in this first term. Drew stayed down, missed his target by hand. Castagna didn't.
Oh, that's
Found
it.
Caddy. Did he get his first goal of this season? Josh Caddy had a big year last year. And he hit the scoreboard early in his first game back in season 2019. Tigers hit the front by 1 point. Sammy Gray got 2 in a row. Power have got 3 in a row. Quarter time here at the Adelaide Oval, and Port Adelaide leading by 8 points. Kim Dillon with you, joined by Sam Hargraves in commentary, and Darryl Wakeland, all the special comments. Thanks to
Time doesn't make much of a difference.
We'll quickly fly around the grounds thanks to Chemist Warehouse.
Yeah,
great trainings every day. 2 games completed, Sammy.
It doesn't really make much of a difference.
The Giants have done well. They've gone down to GMHBA Stadium. They've taken on the undefeated Cats. They've beaten them by 4 points.
It works nicely, yeah.
And got their season back on track. 47-point winners over...
Sung Woody, my favourite hyphenated player.
Radio works really well.
7-1.
We're happy with that. Cleaned it nicely.
Chemist Warehouse, the real.
I'll give it another couple of hours, maybe tomorrow I'll clean that rust stuff off, and those terminals have been nice and conductive. They're a lot more conductive than they were when I started, so this thing shouldn't struggle with batteries in it now.
Free kick. Wines didn't make a realistic
Put
attempt.
those rechargeable lithium batteries in there.
Quickly to the acting captain.
Or
Edwards.
I can replace this with little four AA rechargeables. Since the higher capacity nowadays, instead of just using the leaky friggin' Duracell crap, and then if you get that with leaky batteries, I put some new rechargeables in there.
The key to Corvus Power Garden Range scoreboard.
I like that. They showed a real urgency to move the ball forward.
Both dial lamps work.
And Rioli.
That's nice. Works all nicely. Turn it off. Anyway, this thing come up quite well. Happy with it now. It was a nightmare trying to figure out why there was a short all of a sudden, but I sorted that out. Yeah, it's de-rustifying. Nice. Anyway. With the back on it will sound better because of the back will contain the sound better with the speaker. That plugs on the aerial, which plugs the main aerial and the body back in. That goes back on there. Give it some, maybe overnight actually, let that rust be removed. Overnight would be a good enough amount of time for it to fix it. But there we go, I clean it real nicely. Nice. Didn't even have to change any capacitors, just works beautifully. Anyway, that works quite nice. Happy with that. Anyway, another model of it actually, before I forget about saying that. It's the Transistor 8 all-way radio, model TR812. I'll go on a radio museum and see what the specs are on it and when the year it was from. But there we are, that's the Sony TR812 1960s transistor radio. Fully repaired and working well and cleaned up. Anyway, nice sounding little radio. Thanks for watching.